Well, you've seen one video on it, but you haven't really seen a good review or, I don't know, even a quick look over. You haven't seen it. So here it is. My first car. It's a 2008 WRX. I worked for 4 fucking years at, fuck, I don't even want to say it, but no frills to afford this freaking thing. And let me tell you, I love it. I've been in a fair amount of cars, and I've driven a fair amount. Sure, not as many cars as some of you guys, but I've driven, I don't know, just, Civics and this and that, and this car, I have never driven anything like it. This thing is seriously insane. The way it handles, brakes, you know what I mean? Accelerates, it's insane. For 225 horsepower, it's quick. Now, for any of you wondering, mine's basically just stock. I have an axleback exhaust, and I'm thinking we'll do a cold start real quick. But I got the stock exhaust. Oh, there's one over here. It's just a muffler delete. It's a Nameless performance muffler delete. Those are the stock ones there. They're all big and rusty and whatever. So we got those on there to kind of open her up a bit more, but as you guys probably know, mufflers aren't too restrictive, so it doesn't really do a whole lot. Just adds some noise. But other than that, I'll stock for up here. It literally has a K&N drop-in air filter, and that's it. I don't know. I always run 5W30 full synthetic Valvoline. I don't know. I think it's worth it to run a good oil. It's I like to think it's a pretty advanced engine and stuff. Not as advanced as like a Porsche or something like that, of course, but still. For cold starts and all that, you want to have a good oil in there. Always premium 91 gas. She really likes it. It's got about 186,000 kilometers, I think. She really works great. That's a Michelin Pilot Sport AS Plus. And these tires are great. Honestly, I don't really have as much experience as I'd like to have with tires, but from using these and trying to push them to their limit, they really do a good job. And they're not even wide or anything. They're just 205s. Like, I don't know. But yeah, stock brakes, stock suspension. It's got a little aftermarket dash in here. That's about it. I'm thinking we'll do a quick little cold start here. You guys can hear this axle bat. Alright. But first, it's not a Subaru video without a vape cloud. Oh, that was weak. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna get hate for that. Boom. It's not my head gasket. I swear to God. All right. Burning a bit of coolant. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. But she does smoke a little on cold starts. Scary as it is sort of sweet smelling. Say the coolant is sweet when it burns. I don't know. Quick little walk around. 08 WRX, a nice little cold start. Alright, well, hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give her a like. If not, a dislike. You got any future video ideas or anything you want to know or whatever, just let me know in the comments. Anyways, thanks again. Have a good one, guys. Hey, speaking of shit, I forgot to show you something. I gutted the back. Yep. Back seats are gone. Spare tire's gone. Figure I pulled maybe 100, 200 pounds. I don't know. It's gotta make some difference, right? When you only got 200 horsepower, 3,000 pound car. 100, 200 pounds? Decent chunk. Anyway, just a little bonus clip. Maybe I'll throw this in at the end for anyone who actually stayed. But yeah, guys, literally took like 5-10 minutes to do the whole thing. The back seats for like 4 bolts, 2 on each seat, and everything in the back came out without tools because it's the spare tire and stuff, right? Yeah. Alright. See you guys later.